Hi students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiac's Doubt Clearance. So we have a good question in front of you. I will just read the question. Okay. Caffeine has a molecular weight of 194. If it contains 28.9 percentage by mass of nitrogen, then the number of nitrogen in one molecule of caffeine is. So this is the question actually. So how we can solve this question? So we will first of all read some statements of this one. So they are telling caffeine has a molecular weight. So we will say the molecular weight of caffeine, correct? Caffeine is equal to 194. What does that mean? If you take one molecule of caffeine, it has a weight of 194. That is the meaning actually. Okay. Now, next thing what they are telling, if it contains 28.9 percentage by mass of nitrogen. So what does that mean? That means that 28.9 gram of nitrogen is present in, correct? Is present in 100 gram of caffeine, correct? 100 gram of caffeine. Now we know that it is percentage. That's why I am saying 100 gram of caffeine. And many of them will ask you, sir, why you have taken gram? It is not necessary that whenever they say by mass, always we can take gram. Since it is a ratio, we can do it in any way because while dividing, this will get cancels off. So even we can say like this, that will be more better. I can say it like 28.9 AMU of nitrogen is present in 100 AMU of caffeine. Okay. So why I will prefer the second one compared to the first one. The reason for that is we are talking about one molecule. Correct. One molecule of caffeine. So whenever we speak about one molecule, we always used to represent with AMU. Whenever we speak about one mole, we used to represent using molecular mass in grams. So we will prefer AMU here. Okay. So that means 28.9 AMU of nitrogen is present in 100 AMU of caffeine. Correct. So I will write it in much clear form. 28.9 AMU nitrogen is present in 100 AMU caffeine. Okay. But what we are expected to know, we need to know in 194 AMU of caffeine, how many AMU of nitrogen is present. Why we need to find out in 194? Because 194 they have given it is the molecular weight of caffeine. So, and they are asking you the number of nitrogen atoms in one molecule of caffeine. So we know that one molecule of caffeine has a mass of how much molecular weight, which is equal to 194. So we will try to find out the number of nitrogen or the mass of nitrogen in uh, one molecule of caffeine. One molecule of caffeine means it has a mass of how much? 194. So we need to convert 100 to 194. So how we can do that? First we will convert this to 1. For that we will divide by 100. So when we are dividing by 100, this will become 1 AMU of caffeine, correct? So here also you need to divide by 100. So this will become 28.9 by 100 AMU nitrogen, correct? Okay. Now tell me how to convert 1 to 194, multiply by 194. Okay. So this will become 194 AMU of caffeine, correct? So and do it the same thing on the LHS. So this will become 28.9 divide by 100 into 194 AMU of nitrogen. Okay. Now we know 194 AMU of caffeine, that is the molecular weight of the caffeine, has how many mass of nitrogen. So when you do this calculation, you will get an answer that is equal to 56. So you can do that. So this value will become 56 AMU. So that means what actually? So if you take, that means one molecule, I will write the inference so you will get an idea. So I can say that if I take one molecule of caffeine, one molecule of caffeine, correct, which has a molecular weight of 194, one molecule of caffeine has nitrogen, of mass 56 AMU. But are they asking you regarding how much mass of nitrogen is present in one molecule of caffeine? No, they are asking you regarding the number of atoms of nitrogen. Correct. So I know that one nitrogen atom, one nitrogen atom has a mass equal to 14 AMU. Now, can you tell me how many atoms are present in 56 AMU? I know that I should multiply by 4. So this will become 56 AMU. So you can multiply here also by 4. So this will become 4 nitrogen atoms. So what is that understanding? Now we understood that 56 AMU mass of nitrogen means it is equivalent to 4 nitrogen atoms, and 56 AMU of nitrogen is present in how much mass of caffeine? 194 AMU of caffeine. This 194 AMU of caffeine is the molecular mass of the caffeine. This is what indirectly they are asking you. Okay, so I got the answer as 4. So it is present as option C. So I hope you have understood the question. If you have any doubt, please get back to us. For more theory and other services, please contact Brainiacs classes, where you will get detailed lecture classes and PDFs and many other stuffs that will help you to crack NEET with highest scores. Okay, thank you.